My name is Miss Maren from Food Corps. Today, we're going to be doing a lesson together. Before we start our lesson, I was thinking we can do a breath. So this is a new breathing technique that I've never done before, but I'm excited to share with everyone. So in one hand, we're going to pretend that we have a beautiful flower. Whatever flower that you love the smell of, pretend you're holding it up in this hand. Smell in through your nose really big. And then in your other hand, you're going to have a bubble wand. Bubbles are so much fun. And in order to make bubbles, you have to breathe out through your mouth. So in this hand, breathe through your bubble wand, out through your mouth. We're going to do this a few times together. Smell your flower. Blow your bubbles. Smell the flower. Blow the bubbles. Smell your flower. Blow your bubbles. Thank you for breathing with me. I feel so calm and ready to learn, and I hope you do too. Today, we're going to be talking about something really awesome that starts to come out in the spring. So I have a little surprise. It's something that I'm very excited to share with you, and I think you'll really like. So I'll give you a hint. I'm going to give you 3 clues, and you have to guess what my surprise item is. Clue number 1. This item loves to be outside. Clue number 2. This item loves the rain. Clue number 3. This item is not scared of bees. In fact, they're one of their best friends. Can you guess what the secret item is? Well, if you guessed plant, then you are correct. This is our strawberry plant. Isn't it so beautiful? It even has some flowers on it. Our strawberry plant is so beautiful and has so many different parts. Let's go through all of the different plant parts and see if we know what each part does to help the plant. We're going to start with the roots. The roots are what help anchor the plant into the ground. They help the plant absorb water and nutrients from the soil and keep it super healthy. Next up from the roots is the stem. The stem is what water and nutrients use to wiggle up into the leaves and flowers. It also helps keep our plant super sturdy. Super sturdy. Next is the leaves. The leaves are usually big and green and help absorb sunshine and make food for the plant. They also can shade the ground to make sure to keep it super moist so the roots always have water. Next is the flowers. The flowers are what start to produce the seeds. They're super pretty and often have petals, or sometimes flowers don't even look like flowers. Did you know broccoli is a flower? Next, we have fruit. Fruit helps to reproduce the plant. So it keeps the seeds moist so they don't dry out, and also attracts birds and other animals to eat the fruit, which helps them disperse the seeds all over so new plants can grow. And our last plant part is the seeds. The seeds are super great because you plant them in the earth, a little dirt, a little water and sunshine, and you'll start to get a new plant. So let's review. We have 6 different parts of a plant. Roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Did you know that we eat fruits and vegetables that are all different parts of the plant? I didn't realize this. For example, roots that we eat include carrots and beets. Some stems include asparagus and celery. Leaves that we eat is spinach and kale. Flowers that we eat is broccoli and cauliflower. Fruit that we eat, well, you probably know a lot of fruit. Raspberries, apples, anything that has seeds inside. And last are seeds. I personally like sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. Next, we're going to do an activity where we create our own salad using all different parts of the plant. For this activity, you're going to need crayons, a piece of paper, and your imagination. Let's go. Okay, so now I have my paper and my crayons. The first step is to draw our plate. So I'm going to make my plate green. So let's draw a big circle. This is going to be our salad plate. It's going to be filled with all different plant parts. So first, to my salad, I'm going to add a base of leaves. So I really like spinach, so I'm going to draw some spinach leaves. If you like iceberg lettuce, you can draw iceberg lettuce. If you like kale, you can draw kale. There's all different types of leaves that we eat. So here's my spinach. Sometimes I eat spinach raw, but most of the time I actually eat it cooked with some oil and garlic. It's so delicious. Okay, so now I have my leaves in my plate. Next, I'm going to add some roots. My favorite root vegetable is a sweet potato. So I'm going to add little chunks of sweet potato to my salad. So sweet potatoes are sometimes orange, so I can do that. You can add all different kinds of root vegetables. There's beets, which are purple. There's carrots, which are orange or purple or white. You can add some onions if you like onions. There's lots to choose from. So I'm adding little chunks of sweet potato. Yum, yum. Okay, next I'm going to add some stems. So I think I will put some celery in here. So if you don't like celery, you could always add asparagus too, because we eat the asparagus stems, or you can add chard if you like chard, because we eat those stems as well. So here's some little celery chunks. I love celery as a crunchy snack. If I don't have it on my salad, sometimes I eat it with peanut butter and even put some chocolate chips on top. It's so yummy. All right, our salads are looking great. Let me add one more piece of celery. Awesome. So we have our leaves, which is our spinach. We have our roots, which is our sweet potato. We have our stems, which is our celery. So next we're going to add flowers. So as I may have said before, one flower that you wouldn't think of is actually a broccoli or cauliflower. So I love broccoli, so I'm going to add pieces of broccoli to my salad. So you can add broccoli, cauliflower. There's also lots of different flowers that we can eat. So you can have different pretty flowers that are actually edible and you put on top of your salad. So even if you don't like broccoli or cauliflower, you can just draw a really pretty flower to garnish our salad. Lots of broccoli here. I love broccoli. It's one of my favorite vegetables. Okay. So now that we have our flowers, our next plant part is going to be our fruit. So I think that this salad needs a little more color. So I think I'm going to add some raspberries. So let's do a few raspberries here. Raspberries are so delicious. I love to put raspberries on salad. I love raspberry jam. And even raspberries in my smoothies are really good. They're super sweet and they have a great flavor. Of course, on your salad, you can put any fruit that you'd like. So you can have apples, you can put blueberries, you can even do peppers, because peppers have seeds inside. They are actually a fruit. So I'm gonna draw a few pieces of pepper strips as well. So here are my pepper strips. So peppers are also a fruit. I put some red peppers on my salad. This looks so yummy. So lots of fruit, lots of vegetables. Awesome. Okay. The last part of the plant that I'm going to add to my salad is going to be seeds. So my favorite kinds of seeds are sunflower seeds. I think they're so yummy with a little bit of salt on them. So I'm going to add some sunflower seeds here. But you can add any seeds that you want. So you can add some pumpkin seeds, you can add sunflower seeds. You can even add nuts, which are seeds. So walnuts or pistachios and things like that. Anything crunchy as a nut. Ooh, this is so colorful. I'm so excited. Okay, I think I'm done with my plant part salad. It looks so delicious. So let's go over the different plant parts that we see again. So starting at the bottom of the plant, we have roots. And our roots are our sweet potatoes. Next up, we have our stems. So for our stems, I see some celery. Next, we have leaves. For my leaves, I put spinach. After leaves, we have flowers. And my flowers that I chose were broccoli. After broccoli, we have fruit. The fruit I chose is raspberries, but also some red bell peppers. And last, we have our seeds. And my seeds are sunflower seeds. This salad looks so delicious. With a little bit of dressing and a big fork, I would so love to eat it. Maybe you could even take your plant part salad and make it for dinner. I hope you enjoyed that activity. I had so much fun. And I got to think a lot about different parts of plants and which parts we eat. hopefully next time when you eat a salad or any kind of fruit or vegetable, you think, what part of the plant am I eating today? Until next time.